friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. First of all, wish you all a very happy Pongal. Tomorrow's Pongal, a South Indian festival, and it is the perfect time to share with you guys my special sweet Pongal recipe. So let us quickly run through the ingredients and check out how to make it. I have taken a cup of raw white rice, half a cup of split green gram or moong dal, 2 cups of powdered or grated jaggery, 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or Desi ghee, a pinch of salt, a pinch of powdered edible camphor, a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 5 to 6 leaves of Indian basil or tulsi, a tablespoon of split cashews, a tablespoon of raisins, a teaspoon of chopped fresh coconut, a cup of whole milk, and 3 cups of water. Heat a pan on low flame. Add moong dal to the pan and dry roast until slightly golden. Turn off the flame once it turns golden. Transfer it to another bowl. Also add the rice to it and wash it well thrice or until the water runs clear. I have transferred it to a pressure cooker now. Add 2 cups of water and a cup of milk to it. Now cook it for 3 whistles on medium flame or until well done. In the meantime, let us prepare our jaggery syrup. Take powdered jaggery into a saucepan and add a cup of water to it. Cook it on medium flame until everything is dissolved well. Turn off the flame once done. Strain out the syrup to separate the impurities from it. Here we have our jaggery syrup ready. I have taken the cooked rice and dal into a deep pan. Just mash it up slightly and pour the jaggery syrup to it. If you are making it for the first time, please do not add all the jaggery syrup at once because the sweetness of the jaggery might differ. Add it little by little and adjust it according to your taste. I have added all of it at a time because I know how sweet my jaggery is. Mix it well. Now add a pinch of salt to it. I love to add a pinch of salt to all my desserts because it just balances out the sweetness. Mix it well while mashing it slightly so that it turns a bit mushy. Do you see the consistency? Now turn down the flame to low and add 2.5 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. You can increase or decrease the amount of ghee as per your choice, but these kind of desserts taste great only when a generous amount of ghee is added to it. Mix it well and add a pinch of powdered edible camphor. Please do not add more than a pinch of edible camphor because it has a strong flavor which can ruin the taste of the dish completely if added in excess, so be very careful with it. Also add in green cardamom powder and Indian basil or tulsi leaves and mix well. Powdered edible camphor and Indian basil or tulsi are two optional ingredients, but these are the ingredients which makes the pongal very aromatic and flavorful. Turn off the flame once done. Heat another pan on low flame and add the remaining ghee to it. Once it has heated up, add in the cashews and fry until golden. Stir continuously so that the cashews are evenly colored. Take it off the ghee once done. Now add in fresh coconut pieces and fry until golden. Now add raisins to it and let them balloon up. Turn off the flame and add it to the pongal. Also add in the fried cashews and mix well. I have reserved a few cashews for garnish. Now I have taken it to a serving bowl. It can be served warm or cold and tastes super yummy both ways. It tastes even better if you rest it for some time and have it. I hope you all will try out this recipe at home and do let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you. Do subscribe to my channel for many more such yummy recipes and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care, bye bye, and wish you all a very happy Pongal once again.